A-level chemistry is a requirement when you're applying to engineering or to any medical field. The questions that most students ask: is A-level chemistry difficult? That's what I'll try to answer with you today. I'll give you a bird's eye view of this subject, which is necessary to understand, plan, and decide how hard this subject is. Let's start with the core topics. These chapters lay the foundation necessary for all unit exams. Number one is stoichiometry. It involves chemical calculations to determine mass, volume, and the number of particles using the mole concept. I can't stress enough how important this topic is. Therefore, you should spend enough time understanding it and finding shortcuts to solve problems as quickly as possible until answering more questions become second nature. The second core topic is atomic structure, where you'll learn about the structure of the atoms, specifically electron configuration. While you may not get direct questions from this topic, understanding it is essential for learning the following topics, including chemical bonding and periodic table trends. The third core topic, and perhaps the most important, is organic chemistry. In Unit 1, Organic Chemistry, you study alkanes and alkenes and their reactions, while in Unit 2, you focus on alcohols and halogenoalkanes. Organic chemistry is nearly 1/3 of every unit exam in AS chemistry, which tells you how important it is. Energetics is the fourth core topic of Unit 2 and Unit 3. It's quite similar to what you studied in IGCSE, but in more advanced concept and calculations. Another major topic of Unit 2 is inorganic chemistry. Here you'll learn about properties of elements of Group 2 and Group 7 of the periodic table. This section is more theoretical questions than calculations. The final part of AS chemistry covers chemical equilibrium and kinetics, which are almost identical to IGCSE chemistry. Let's go back to our first question. Is AS chemistry hard? The answer is simple. If you were good in IGCSE chemistry, then it will take you little effort to learn this subject. The majority of AS chemistry is based on understanding, meaning you could just learn from your teacher in the class and then apply straight away solving past papers. This would save you a lot of time and allow you to take other A-levels along with chemistry. And for those of you who are still watching, I have a gift for you. Check the interactive AS chemistry checklist. You simply tick off the part of the specification that you've covered, and it saves your progress. This is ideal for setting weekly targets and ensuring that you have covered all parts of the syllabus. That's all for today, and as always, feel free to ask questions.